So you've built your first offer, and now you're wondering how to get the best affiliates to promote for you. I'm James Klein, and a few years ago, I was in the same spot you're in now. Stay tuned and you'll learn some valuable tips on how to set up the best partnerships. So to start, I'm going to assume that you've already built out your offer and done some testing so that you have data that you can approach various affiliates with. The first thing to know is there are many different types of affiliates promoting in very different ways. You need to know if your offer works best with email type affiliates, cold traffic affiliates, so affiliates who buy Facebook, YouTube, or native traffic, or influencers who promote on their own channels. Each traffic source will require different assets that will allow you to be as successful as possible with your affiliate partners. The first thing that's extremely important is getting to know where the good affiliates are. And what I mean by that is that there are lots of good affiliates all over the world. In most cases, they won't know that you or your offer even exist. I would recommend searching out Facebook groups for affiliates, Discord channels, etc. There are lots of different places where affiliates congregate and share information. Once you've had a chance to meet some affiliates and open a dialogue with them, the best thing to do is find out what types of offers work for their traffic source. So for example, if an affiliate has a large email list that was built on promoting spirituality offers, if you're selling a dietary supplement or a business opportunity, it might not be at all congruous with their list and therefore will likely not succeed. So very important when you're talking to affiliates, be very clear about the niche that your product is in and be sure that they have traffic that they feel matches your source. Another thing that I would strongly recommend is attending as many affiliate events in person as possible. There are affiliate events pretty much every month of the year. There are some very large affiliate events like the Affiliate Summit East or West, Affiliate World in Europe or Dubai or Asia. So depending where you're located geographically, try to get to a few of those events and just network as much as you possibly can. Another great place to meet affiliates is by attending ClickBank roadshows. ClickBank hosts events around the world, usually in conjunction with big affiliate events, and getting to know people who are in the ClickBank ecosystem will definitely help you get in contact with the right affiliates for your offer. It's also very important to be sure to know what the commissions for affiliates are in the various niches that you might or might not be promoting in. So for example, if you're promoting a digital offer and your competition is paying an 80% commission, if you enter the space paying a 40% commission, you might have the best offer, but you're likely not to get the traffic just because affiliates are attracted to the highest payouts possible. Another very important point is to make your affiliate partner's life as easy as possible with respect to promoting your offer. What I mean by that is the more assets you can deliver directly to the affiliate that makes it easier for them to promote your offer will increase the likelihood of them promoting for you. So very important, have shareable documents, for example, email swipes for somebody who's going to email your offer, or have potential ideas for videos for people who create content on Facebook or YouTube. Give your affiliate partner as many suggestions and assets as possible, which will, again, make the process easier and more efficient for them. If affiliates have to do a lot of work to promote your offer, chances are they're going to promote an offer that's easier for them to work on. To be sure that your communication with your affiliates is perfect. Reach out to them, establish the relationship. If they're going to promote your offer on a certain date, wait 2 or 3 days afterwards and send them a follow-up. Ask them how the offer did, how it did compared to competing offers. Maybe your offer outperformed similar offers. If that's the case, you're helping them look at the data, which will then make it easier for them to decide to promote your offer again. Over-communicate without being obnoxious. Don't spam their email boxes, but communicate as much as you possibly can. Ask them what you can do to help them. If the offer did really well for them, maybe you want to bump their commission to incentivize them to keep promoting your offer regularly. For an affiliate relationship to work, it has to be a win on both sides. One of the most important things in building a successful affiliate program is knowing your data. It's very important to compare similar affiliates against each other. So for example, 10,000 clicks from affiliate A might convert at 2%. 10,000 clicks from affiliate B might convert at 0.5%. 10,000 clicks from affiliate C might not have any conversions at all. It's very important to know which affiliates lead you to the best outcome for your offer. If you see that you have affiliates who are sending you traffic but it's not converting, it's very important to talk to those affiliates to understand more about the demographics of the traffic that they're sending you. Maybe their list is for home security buyers and you're selling them a yoga program. There's not a lot of crossover there, so that might not work for them at all. The more you know about the traffic you're getting, the better decisions you can make. And if you see that certain affiliates' traffic just doesn't work for you, my recommendation would be to reach out to the affiliate and tell them that you appreciate their efforts, but that it's not a good fit. And I would actually recommend that they stop sending you traffic. When you're looking at data on your offer and you see how well it converts across traffic, you want to be sure that you're looking at numbers based on quality traffic. So if somebody's list has bots, or it's just not a high quality list, they might be leads instead of buyers, that will vastly impact their performance. Not every affiliate is the right partner for you, and the more you get to know the affiliate world and work with people, you'll very quickly determine who are the best partners for you and focus all your efforts on them and other affiliates who are similar to them. If you're wondering how long the typical affiliate relationship lasts, it will be determined mostly by how well your offer performs for that affiliate. If you have a good, solid, evergreen offer that converts well, the same affiliates will put you in their rotation and promote for you once a month or once every 6 weeks and send you consistent traffic. That's the ideal world. It's much easier to keep a good affiliate than to have to go search out and replace them with another affiliate. So again, by properly communicating with your affiliate partners and setting the right expectations, there's no reason that an affiliate relationship can't last for years. One myth that I've encountered quite a bit in the affiliate world is that you constantly need to be adding lots of affiliates to your program. I strongly disagree. If you have the right affiliate partners, 10 to 20 affiliates can help build a multi-million-dollar offer. Consistency and quality of affiliates is much more important than the number of affiliates. I always focus on the best affiliates who can send me the best traffic rather than trying to manage hundreds and hundreds of affiliates to hopefully end up at the same spot. Not all clicks are equal and not all affiliates are equal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, please like this video and follow this channel for lots of great affiliate marketing information. I'm James Klein, and thank you very much.